It is so important that we hear the views, ideas and voices of all children and young people across the Council. We already have a strong youth council. We do excellent work across the Council and schools to encourage young people to have a say in matters that affect them. And more recently, we've also established a forum for young children who become looked after by this Council. I'm sure that as our youth mayor, Abby will shine a spotlight on issues that young people care passionately about. And this will serve and demonstrate the importance of listening and acting on what young people have to say.
The Youth Council and Youth Mayor Initiative is all about enabling us as young people to develop in terms of our active citizenship, social skills, abilities and educational development. This will improve our knowledge about council structures, council operations and experience in civic life.
Youth Mayor-elect Abigail Price, I now ask you to take the pledge of office as Youth Mayor of the County Borough of Neath Port Talbot.
I pledge to champion children and young people's rights, to ensure they are upheld with particular regard for children and young people who are most vulnerable, at risk, marginalised and least likely to be heard. Building the confidence, respect, equality and aspirations of young people is my passion, and I will do the utmost to empower children and young people to participate fully in decision making in all matters that affect them.
I will now countersign your register. Congratulations, Deputy Youth Mayor.
I pledge to campaign and raise awareness for the need for more accessible mental health services in schools, colleges and our local communities for children and young people. Working with our partners Public Health Wales, I will provide young people in Neath Port Talbot with education on health issues affecting them and information on where they can access support.